lesson 10.7 elapsed time. We're gonna learn today how to convert units of time to solve elapsed time problems. So let's start. Okay, first let's read this example together. A computer company claims its laptop has a battery that lasts 4 hours. The laptop actually ran for 200 minutes before the battery ran out. Run out means finished. Did the battery last 4 hours or not? So, the most important givens here is first 4 hours, which is the company's claim, and 200 minutes is the actual time. And what does he want me to do? To find if the battery lasts 4 hours or not. So we have to convert the 200 minutes into hours, then we can compare. And you basically know that every 1 hour equal what? Excellent, 60 minutes. So in this case, I need to divide the 200 minutes by 60 minutes to find how many hours in the 200 minutes. So let's do the long division here. We will divide 200 by 60. Okay, so this is 0 with 0, and 6 times what will give me the nearest number to 20. So let's try 3, because you know that 3 times 6 equals 18. So then multiply 3. 3 times 0 is 0, then 3 times 6 is 18, right? So this 180. Let's minus. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 20 minus 18 is 2. So now 20 is less than 60, so I can't divide it anymore. So in this case, I keep it as a remainder. Now in the 200 minutes, there are 3 hours and 20 minutes remainder. So again, what we're gonna do, we're gonna divide 200 minutes by the minutes in each hour, which is 60. It will give me, if you divide 200 by 60, it will give you 3 complete hours, and the remainder, which is 20. Okay, now we can compare. We have hours and hours. So omit the minutes because we don't have minutes here. We will compare hours with hours. We have 3 hours and 4 hours. Which one is bigger? Of course, the 4 hours. And this means since that 3 hours and 20 minutes is less than 4 hours, the battery doesn't last as long as the company claims. So their claim is wrong. Let's see another example on how we want to convert time units. First, we have to know the basic units of time. First, every 1 minute has 60 seconds in it, and every 1 hour has 60 minutes in it also, and each day contains 24 hours, and the week contains 7 days, of course. The year has 52 weeks. That's a new information. Oh, hooray. And every 1 year has 12 months. And the year has 365 days. That's not new. Okay. So let's see the other example. Jill spent much of her summer away from home. She spent 10 days with her grandparents, 9 days with her cousins, and 22 days at camp. How many weeks and days was she away from home? So away from home, this means we will compile all the vacation days. First 10 days at her grandparents' home, 10, then 9 cousins' home, then 22 at camp. So let's plus them together. 10 plus 9 is 19, plus 22 is 41 days. Now I need to convert how many weeks in 41 days. And you know that the week has 7 days, right? This means I will divide the 41 by 7. And let's see my draft work here. Okay, you know timetable 7, right? 7, 14, 21, 28. Then 35, 42. So, is it 42? Can I use 42 here? No, 42 is bigger than 41. So what is before 42? It's 35, right? So we can use 35. And 35 is the multiplication of 7 times 5. So we put here 5. Let's multiply. 5 times 7 is 35. Now we're gonna minus. Can we minus 1? Minus 5? No. So we're gonna borrow from 4. It will be 3, and this number will be 11. 11 minus 5 is 6, and 3 minus 3 will be nothing. So now, can I divide 6 by 7? No. Why? Because 6 is less than 7. So we leave it as a remainder, right? So now, how many weeks are in 41 days? 5 weeks, and remainder is 6 days. So again, let's put the final equation. 41 divided by 7 equal 5 are able to divide, and the remainder, which is 6. And this means we have in all 5 weeks and 6 remaining days. I hope you found it to find it easy, right? Okay, let's see another example. Use a number line to find elapsed time. And here's some important information. Elapsed time. Parts of hours. You have to know the parts of it. First, half hour mean dividing a complete hour by 2 to take its half. And this means dividing 60 by 2. If you divide 60 by 2, put the 0. Then 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So it is 30 minutes. So if I tell you half an hour, this means 30 minutes. I hope that you already knew that. Third, an hour. Third, an hour means 60 divided by 3. Again, we put the 0 and we divide 6 by 3. It will give you 2. So if I tell you third hour, this means 20 minutes. Quarter, an hour, or fourth the hour, mean dividing 60 minutes by 4. And why we said 60 minutes? Again, because each 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 60 divided by 4 will give me 15 minutes. So let's go back to our example. Monica spent 2.5 hours working on her computer. If she started working at 10:30 a.m., what time did Monica stop working? So starting time is 10:30. Then we will add 1 hour. So if you add the first 1 hour, this means the hours will change or the minutes will change. Of course, the hours will change. So instead of being 10, it will be 11:30. Let's add another 1 complete hour, means a whole 60 minutes. So this means also again the hours will change. This is the refers to the hours number, and this is minutes number. So the 11 will increase, will be 12:30. No change will happen to the minutes. Finally, we will add half an hour, and we said that half an hour is 60 divided by 2 equal 30 minutes. And this means I will add 30 minutes to the minutes number. This means I will add 30 plus 30. So it will be 1260. Oh, something weird here. You know the 60 minutes equal what? 60 minutes mean 1 complete hour, right? So this means this will be, the hours will change. Okay, I will add the hour 60 minutes here. It will be 1 hour. Then I will add by 12. It will be 13. You have in a clock something that's called 13? No. So what is after 12 o'clock? It is 1 o'clock, right? So after 12 o'clock, it will be 1 o'clock. So at this, in this case, she will finish at 1 o'clock. Oh, and it will be 1 o'clock a.m., right? No, it will be p.m. because it is after midday, right? So write instead of me, I forgot to write it. Please write p.m. Let's see another example. Robert's soccer team needs to be off the soccer field by 12:15 p.m. Each game is at most 1.75 hours long. What time should the game begin to be sure that the team finishes on time? So in this case, I need to count the time back. I mean, I will minus the time because he is giving me the ending time, not the starting time. So I will not add time, I will minus. I will go back, go behind. How much we will go back? We will go back 1 hour and 3/4. So first, let's see 3/4 hour means, you know the fourth, right? The quarter of hour is equal 15 minutes, but you don't know 3/4, right? So in this case, 3/4 mean 3/4. Mean 3 multiplied by 15. It give me 45 minutes. So 3/4 is 3 multiplied by quarter. So it will be 45 minutes. Now we should go back 45 minutes. Ending time is 12:15. So this is 12:15, and we go back 45 minutes. Okay, so let's go back this way 45 minutes. So count with me by 5. Keep counting by 5 until 45 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and here we are. We stop here. So it should be, okay, if the minutes hand is standing here, this means 30, right? 30. So it will be 12:30. Is it right? After it was 12:15, I minused 45. So it will be 12:30. No, of course not. Because by this way, we increased the time, not minus it. So what is the right number here, or the right time here? Should be 11:30. How come? Because by going back with the minutes hand, we passed 12. And if we pass 12, the time or the hours hand will change also, will move with me, and it will move back. Will move back from 12 to 11, right? Again, while we are moving the minutes hand back, we passed 12. We moved through 12 or moved across 12. And this means also the hours hand will move with me, will change the timing. We go back one step. So instead of being 12, it will be 11:30, right? Now, I minus 3/4 hour. I need now to minus 1 whole hour. So let's minus 1 whole hour. So we will minus it from hours or from minutes? Of course, from hours. So minus 11 minus 1, it will be 10:30. And that's the final answer. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.